Sharing screen. Yes. Okay. So this way we can apply. So then after that, so if we can give the plain one span border, so then we can use the border icon success. Okay. So for all sides here. So then, so if you want to increase the width of border, so same thing we are having border icon y, border icon y. Okay. So then we can increase the width to, okay, increase. So then if you can increase the width 3, so up to 5 we are having 3. This is the 3. Okay. So the next one 4. Okay, thick border. So then another one is 5. Okay. So up to this only we are having. So then 6, nothing. Okay. So up to 5. So we can increase the from 1 to 5 width. We can increase the border width. Okay. So at the same time we are having border contextual classes like this. Border primary and secondary. So then warning, danger, light, dark. Okay. So these are the different borders. Okay. So the next one, text colors. So at the same time, how we are having the, so BG color, we are having the contextual color. So then button, we are having the contextual colors. So then borders we are having. So the same way we are having the text color also, text contextual colors also. Okay. So we can see. Then P hyphen. Okay. So then text hyphen primary dot text. Same class equal to primary. Okay. So same thing we are having contextual classes, secondary. So then warning, danger, so warning, danger, dark. So the next one, info, info. So the next one, text hyphen body. Sorry, body. So the next muted text, muted means text hyphen muted. Okay. So this type of color text also we are having. Same. Okay. Clear. So next topic is after color links. So we can discuss about the spacings. Spacings also we are having. So what is what is spacing. So for suppose if you want to give the padding or margin spacing. So if you want to give the padding, so we can have the spacing classes also. So in this M is used for M is stands for margin. Okay. So P is for padding. Okay. So then here, so for positions, T is for top, T is for top. So B is for bottom. So then P is for bottom. Text. Okay. So then S is for start. That means left. So then R is E is for end. So that means right. That means right. Okay. So then another one. So margin, padding, top, bottom, start and end. So the next we are having another item called X, left and right. So if you want to give the same spacing or same padding, we can use the X. X is for left and or right. So then Y is for Y is for top and bottom. Okay. So this way, so we can give the classes. So how we can give the classes? So if we want to give the margin, so margin top, so then we can give the empty hyphen. So how much space you want to give? So 0 is for nothing. It sets to the 0. Okay. So it sets the 0. So then we are having the 0 is the spacings. That means sizes. So 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 4 pixel like that. Okay. So 0 is the so margin 0 pixel. If you can give the m-0, so that is meant by margin all sides are so 0 pixel. At the same time, so we are having the p hyphen 0, p hyphen 0. So that means padding 0. So we are having the m hyphen 1, m hyphen mt hyphen 1 or m hyphen 1. So next one is the 1. Okay. So 1 is for 0.25, 0.25 that means so 4 pixel. Okay. So 1 rem equal to 1 rem equal to 16 pixels. Okay. So if we can give the 1, if we can give the m-1, so that is called so 0.25 rem, 25 rem. So that means 4 pixels. Alright. So then if we can give the 2, m-2, so that means 0.5 rem. So that is 8 pixel. Okay. 8 pixel. So the next one is the 3. 3 is 8 pixel. 3 is 12 pixels. Sorry. So then 3 is so some spacing. So then 4 is for 1.5, 1.5. So 3 is by default 1. Sorry, 1 rem. So that means 16 pixels. 1 rem. Okay. So then this means 1.5. 5 means 5 equal to so 3 rem. Okay. So 3 rem. Clear. So this way we can define the so spacings. This way we can define the spacing. So then how we can use? First, suppose if you want to give the margin top, so then we can give the margin top mt-1 comma mt-2 comma mt-3. Like this way we can give. So same thing if you want to give pt hyphen 1 pt 2. So this way. So for suppose if you want to get the equal spacing for left and right and top and bottom, so then we can give the m-1. So this way we can give m-2 we can do. So if you want to left and right is equal and top and bottom is equal. Okay, so then we can give the, so what is for top and bottom my 1. So mx2 like this way, so we can apply it. Okay, so then now we can see one simple example. For suppose, so I have a padding, same thing I have. Okay, so here I have, so this background color is bg hyphen some primary and the text is light, and text is light. Now you can see, so this is one, so there is no padding for this one. So if you can apply this one, if we can apply this one, p-5, that means you can see this is the padding 5. So then if we can observe here, see padding 3 rem, padding 3 rem. Okay, so same thing, if we can decrease this one, 4 we are having. Okay, so 1.5. If we can give the 3, it's a 1 rem. Okay, so this way we can apply. Okay, so then margin, so margin m-5, m-5, all the sides are equal. Okay, now you can see the spacing outside of this one, spacing outside of this one. See now, so if we can decrease this one, 4, then decrease, right? So this way. So for suppose mx-4, x means, what is x means? Top and bottom, right? X means left and right. Sorry. Okay, left and right. If we can see this one. Okay, so then here I am applying the py. Okay, so left and right is 0 and top and bottom is having space. Okay, so this way we can apply. So this padding, this spacing, padding and margin we can apply for all the elements wherever it is required. Okay, so wherever it is required, so we can apply. So all these paddings and margins. Okay, so the next one is after spacing, so colors completed, text colors completed. So then bootstrap display. So we are having the classes called, so display none. For suppose if you want to, hide something, if you want to hide an element, so then here, so inside of this one I have a div class equal to, so then border -1 and border primary. Okay, so then inside I have a some paragraph element. If I can use the d-none, d-none means display none. We are disabling, we are completely hiding this element. Okay, so here I am using some padding -5. Okay, so now you can see this is only right. See now, so this one is completely display none. Where is display none? D-none, here it is, here it is. Okay, so if you can uncomment this one, if you can uncomment it, so then now you can see it. So this is, Okay, clear? So this is the one. This way we can display it. Okay, so this is the display none is the one class. So the next one, hidden in all screens, we can use the display none. Hidden only on access, hidden only on SM, hidden only on MD, hidden only on LG. At the time, so we can use for suppose hidden only on SM, hidden only on SM. So then we can use the class called d-sm-none. Okay, so hidden, so this one table class and w-100. See here it is. So I am applying the class called d-sm-none. d-sm-none. That means small screens. I am hiding this element, or remaining screens I can show it. Okay, hidden, hidden in small screens. So using this type of classes, if we can clearly know the CSS concept, so then we can decrease our programmatical code also. So previously we don't have all these things at that time, so we can use the JavaScript. We can find out the screen size, then we can put the CSS for that one. Okay, now you can see it. What happened? So display SM none. Why? So we have to use the d hyphen d hyphen remaining all screens md hyphen block. Okay. Now we can- Okay. Now we are able to see that one. Okay. So if you can go to the small screens, see, hiding that one. If you can expand that one, 771 it is showing. So then it is not showing. So this way we are having the classes, different classes we are having. So for only SM, so we can use this one. So only MD, so we can use these classes d-md-none, d-lg-block. Okay. So then display only LG screens d-lg-none. So then after the d-xl-block. Okay, hidden only Excel, then display Excel hyphen none. So bigger screens, double Excel, so we can show that. So for visible all screens, so if you won't use any class, then it is automatically visible. Okay, no need to mention separately. Okay, so visible only SM, visible only on access screen, only small screens if you want to show. So then we can use this D hyphen block, D hyphen SM hyphen none. Okay, so then only SM screens visible, only MD screens visible, only large screens we have to use these classes. Okay, so this is the display. Okay, so the next one is the float concept. Float concept. So maximum 90% we cannot use this float concept. So it's rarely we can use this one. Okay, so avoid this float concept, we are having the display flex. Okay, so display flex side flex concept we are having. So still we can see that one float thing. So float left and right, right? Where is this one? We are having this spans, right? So this one we can see. So we have float float start. That means by default all the elements we can show it as float start only. So that means float left. So then float none means so nothing. So by default, so if you won't use any classes, so then it is apply the float none and float start. So then float end. Float end means float right, float hyphen and this one is float hyphen start. Now you can see this one is the float start, this one is the float end. So there is no center. Okay. So float start and float end we are having only those two. So then float sm hyphen start, sm hyphen end. So that means only we are showing in the smaller screens. sm hyphen sm hyphen start and sm hyphen end. Sorry. So in the smaller screens only, so we are applying this one. See, up to all the screens, up to all the screens. This is the below of axis. Correct. So the next one, so same thing. So where is that one? This one. So MD start, MD end, LG start and LG end, XL start and XL end. Okay. So if you want to applicable for up to MD only, so then you can see LG, LG, LG. See, LG means 992 above screens. 992 above screens. See now. So still it is applying this side by side. When we reaching 992, so then it is showing left, right, float start and float. So this way we can apply the floatings. Okay. So the next one is the overflow auto, overflow hidden, and overflow scroll. Overflow auto and overflow hidden and overflow scroll. First suppose, so if we are having the, so three divs. So overflow auto means, so when the text is overflow, for suppose, so if you want to overflow this text, we have to give some specific height and width, right? Height and width. So for this one, overflow, same class I am applying, same concept. So whenever we are having the starting word overflow, so then width equal to width equal to so 250 pixels, 250 pixels. So then height equal to 200 pixels. For suppose I have a dummy text, have this text, so then I can place inside of this space. See, so it is overflowing. So I can use the clear fix above this one. I can use the div class equal to clear fix. So then we can avoid that overlays. So NBSP. Okay. Now it starts from new line. See now. So auto. Okay. So this is auto means it is when it reaches automatically we are getting the scroll bar. So for suppose, so if I remove some text, so if the text is not sufficient, so that scroll bar automatically hides. Now there is no scroll bar. Okay. So for this one, if you can see, for this one, so I said, so overflow, overflow hidden, I think, overflow hidden. So that means, so whatever text is overflowed, that text is automatically hides. Okay. So the next one is overflow visible, overflow visible. So still if it is overflow, so then we are showing the content. Then we are showing the content. See, this is overlap. Okay. So then next one is the final one is the scroll bar. Final one is the scroll bar. So auto and scroll both are same only. Still, so I'm giving this to tap after auto. Okay. So now you can see. See. So both are auto and scroll both are same. But what is the difference between these two? If the text is not sufficient, so then we are able to see scroll bar. For suppose in this one, now you can see. Still, I am able to see the scroll bars for this one. Okay, so that is the scroll. So if we can put the auto, if the content is not sufficient, it automatically hides the scroll bars. Okay, so that is the scroll bar fix. Okay, so then remaining thing we can discuss tomorrow. So we are having the position, shadow and sizing. So then vertical align and visible and invisible. So these are small things only. So then we are having three major concepts. So accordion, collapse and corrosion. These three are the important things. Okay. So then we can close tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can close it. Any doubts? Not, so we can close. Okay, then fine. Thank you.